What's going on, guys? Holy shit, you can't see nothing. There we go. First nice day of spring. Alright, so I'm in the shed working on my door panels. Also got the wall finally vinyl wrapped, which is wrong. So I'm gonna have to redo that eventually. So what I'm doing today is I'm gonna fill in that airspace there because I think I got too much airspace in my box. It's within spec, but I still think it's too much. Also, my port is pretty long, so also might cut the port shorter. So what I've got is these two pieces of wood. This one's already roughed. This chamfer was already there. And I'm just gonna trace it onto the other one. Alright, so I like making videos and stuff, but man, it can get freaking just monotonous and boring to just blab on and do something on camera and try to make a good video. You know, but whatever. So I guess I should make more videos so you guys can get more updated and really follow along better. But man, the weather has just been absolutely awful. This is the first warm day of probably since 2014. So time to cut this out. Okay, for the chamfer, it's this edge, and it's got a. I'm just gonna do it on the belt sander real quick. Nothing special. Alright, this fits pretty good. Bam, bam, bam. So what I do have to do next is try to fill in that little hole right there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do that with, but I'm probably going to use something called peel and seal or just duct tape or something. Oh, look at this. Finishing the vinyl wrap on this. This was a total epic fail. Up here looks fucking fantastic, but then at the bottom, dude, the bottom does not look good. So I'm just gonna say fuck it on this for now, because I've been vinyl wrapping everything like a motherfucker lately, so I think I'm gonna give this a rest, peel it off eventually and buy a new piece. But vinyl don't grow on trees. Probably does. Let's see, look at that. Everything just came out horrible. Look at that shit. That fucking thing. This edge here is all fucking messed up. So yeah, gonna shoot a couple of screws along the top edge here. And then that's gonna be pretty much sealed off just for testing, and then do a little peel and seal or something on that corner. Okay, there it is. All the woofers are in. Now, time to get batteries and amps and all that shit. Alright guys, we got our amp and our iPod going with the headphone cord. And then we got one battery. We got voltage. And we got an old farm charger. Oh man, look at this thing. Look at that. Look at that thing. Oh yeah. Alright, this is the mountain setup for the batteries. I'm gonna use aluminum, this is steel, 1 by 1/8 flat stock. Okay, I got my aluminum now, and I have 1/8 by 1 strip. I'm going to use this vise to bend up my pieces. As we can see, of course, the steel one I made before, just to test out the idea. And then we're going to use the aluminum because it's a little bit lighter. So there we go. A little bit of gap, but I think also what I'm going to do is flip it over and put some sort of like soft stuff on the bottom or something, I don't know. And then maybe polish it, I think is what I'm going to do. Polish to that brushed look. I don't really know how to do that. But polishing sounds like a pain in the butt though. Alright, got the brackets all made up, and this is the rough idea of what it's going to look like. The bus bars are just sitting on there. There's no screws or anything. So that's pretty much what it's going to look like. The amps are going to sit probably like that. I'm not even sure yet. But what I did plan on doing is basically adding on, like say I had to cut out another piece, and it would be like that, and then the amp would sit on this surface, the two little mounting tabs. So that's gonna get, this joint would get welded up, and then it'd just sit like that. Of course, you know, a little bit higher, so it would clear the bus bars, blah, 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 blah. But that's the basic idea. And these, you know, obviously still gotta get the holes drilled, and these would just get sunk in right there. So I definitely think I'm gonna put on some weather stripping on the back part, like that. And I don't know about the finish. I think raw, like brushed, would be freaking sweet, but polished would also be freaking sweet. So I don't know. I think I might upgrade the bus bars or like copper or something. I think that would be freaking nasty if they were copper.